Hey guys and gals, well it's that time. Look, I have the pie and she won't tell me where she got this chicken. And she told me I had to eat half of this bag. So that's half. And you see what it says, flaming hot. So my daughter's gonna start the timer. She's giving me 5 minutes to try. I have to eat all this in 5 minutes. Am I allowed to drink?
Nope.
Not even a sip?
Nope.
Oh God, guys, this might get really messy. I might be crying. I might have food all over my face and my hair and my shirt, but I'm just gonna eat. Because you see this pie? Yeah, I'm gonna eat. All right, so you ready to start that?
Nope, not yet.
Why?
Gotta pour that on there first.
What the heck is this? Look at this, guys. Oh my God. This is that stuff that Tommy, did you put her up to this?
Yep.
See, I have an audience, you guys, but they don't want to be on film. But you guys are watching me, and I got other people watching me. But here we go. How much I got to put on here?
Pour.
Oh my God. That enough?
Nope.
Oh, hell. You guys. Oh my God. Is that enough?
A little more.
Misha, you're trying to kill me.
There you go. That should be good.
Get close so they can see how much of that hot sauce. And Tommy's never opened that. My son got that for him for Christmas. Oh my God. Look how much you made me use. Oh Lord. Okay, I gotta focus, guys. I'm gonna focus. I'm probably gonna eat like a pig, but here we go. Tell me when I can go.
Okay.
Oh, can I have a fork?
I guess we'll allow that.
Sorry, guys. Give me a minute. I need a fork. That's a lot of sauce. Oh, my God. I'm just going to shove my face. My cheeks are probably going to be like this, guys. And I can't have a drink.
Nope.
All right, Tommy. Get it ready. Oh.
Go.
Oh. Holy shit! Oh. I'm not going to talk. Oh, it's hot. I thought I could eat anything hot. What the hell is in that? I gotta call Shane. I'm crying. Oh, hell.
Think real quick, don't think about it.
Oh, man.
Shaking over there?
This is hot. This is hot, you guys. How many more minutes?
4.
I only ate one piece. I'm crying. Oh my God. You hear these guys laughing?
Your eyes are getting red.
I wonder why.
You forfeit?
Oh, yeah. How many more minutes?
You got 3 minutes.
What?
3 minutes.
I don't think I can do it. I'm crying, look.
I kind of feel bad.
I'm full.
2.5 minutes.
this to me, Misha. What the fuck is this? I can't do it. Alright, I get the pie in the face. Whew. I'm sorry, guys. Whew. Can I have a drink before I get pie in my face?
Yeah.
Give me some water, please. Oh. Put that in my face and then cool me down. I'm just gonna do it. Mommy, do it. 1, 2. I'm a failure, guys. Okay. Fuck, I failed. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys. You guys, you know what my family said? I'm crying. They said I didn't get enough pie on my face. So they making me do it again. Don't you feel bad for me? Ready? I got this. I might not got that, but I got this. Y'all crazy. All right, here we go. Is that enough?
That's about right.
All right, guys. I'll see you on the next challenge. Bye, guys.